Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Today we are doing a 2017 Toyota Yaris thermostat replacement. This is a relatively simple job, but I couldn't find any info about it online, so I decided to make a video myself. Now that the airbox and battery are out of the way, before we take this off and spill coolant everywhere, I'm going to go underneath the vehicle and drain some of it out so that we don't make a big mess. I've got it jacked up off the ground a little bit. Oh boy, there's a whole lot of plastic under here. I'll have to see what's what, and we'll be back.
3 hours later.
So I was taking a look at the whole radiator setup from the top, and if you look very carefully, there's a plastic door panel right about there in the bottom tray of this car. So hopefully I can pop this screw out, open this access door, and then we can just drain the radiator through there. Removing all the splash guards is not necessary. What we can see, that's the drain hole, and this is the little wing ding to unscrew it. So we'll get a drain pan under here and let her rip. Now that all the coolant is drained, I'm going to remove this bolt and the one at the bottom. And there's actually another one on the top right over here. So there's 3 bolts holding this thing on. They look like they're 8 millimeters. Now that the new part is in, we just have to put it all back together. Get yourself a funnel and a jug of coolant and fill your system back up. You can usually squeeze the coolant hose to kind of get some air bubbles out, and it'll sink back down. Let's get this closed back up. And last we need to put the battery back. It's pretty simple, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean these terminals before I put it in. Everything is back together. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you have one of these Toyota Yaris AIs from like 2017, you actually have a Mazda 3. There's a Mazda logo. There's a Mazda logo. There's a Mazda logo. This is a Mazda. It's a Mazda. So these are all rebranded Mazdas, which is kind of interesting. And honestly, it's quite a nice car. So hopefully this was informational. Maybe you learned something you didn't know. Hopefully the car is fixed. Good luck.